Hello everyone, this is Ajay Yogendra. I'm a first year undergraduate at IIT Kharagpur and my roll number is 20EC10092. As a part of Assignment-3 of DIY project, I programmed and simulated two virtual Arduino Uno boards using Virtual System Modeling (VSM) of Proteus software. Let's get into the first one, which is Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor. Let me explain this code step by step. So this piece of code over here is used to call the header file, which is dht.h in this case. This piece of code is used to define global variables, which are dht pin and dht type in this case, and they are set to 8 and dht22 respectively. This piece of code is used to create object dht with these parameters. This is the void setup function, which is used to set up the circuit. We basically begin the serial monitor using this code. Then we print DHT22 test to the serial monitor. Then we set the pin 13 to output and begin the DHT sensor using this code. This is the void loop function. First of all, we give a delay of zero point 0.5 second for the sensor to take the reading. Then we read the value of humidity and store it in a float variable h. Then we read the value of temperature in Celsius and store it in a float variable T. And then we read the value of temperature in Fahrenheit using this code and store it in float variable F. This piece of code over here is used to check if any of the readings failed and to exit early and to try again. This piece of code over here is in accordance with the data given. Basically, this part is used to take the pin 13 high, then give a stipulated amount of delay, and then once again get the pin 13 low. This happens in a given set of conditions using these conditionals. These are all in accordance with the given data. Finally, this piece of code is used to print the values of humidity, temperature, and heat index to the serial monitor so that the end user understands them well. Now let's build this function. As you can see, the code is compiled successfully. Let's now simulate it. As you can see, the value of humidity, temperature, and heat index are printed on the humidity sensor. The bulb is not glowing now because the temperature is 15.5. Let's decrease it to 15 degrees Celsius. As you can see, the bulb has now started glowing, and this is in accordance with the conditionals we specified. This is the end of the part 1. Let's now get into the part 2 of this assignment. This is the Arduino and RGB common cathode LED part of the assignment. Let me explain this code step by step. This is the void setup function. Here, using this code, we set the pin 13 to output and also begin the serial monitor. Let's now move on to the void loop function. This code over here is in accordance with the given data. This code, first part, basically sets the pin 13 high for a delay of 0.5 second, which means this is the T on of 0.5 second, then a T off of 1 second, T on of 0.25 second, T off of 0.5 second, T on of 2 seconds, and finally T off of 4 seconds. As this is a loop, this continues on and gives us the wave of time period 8.25 second. Let's now build this project. As you can see, the code is compiled successfully. Let's now simulate it. This is the T on of 0.5 second, then a T off of 1 second, then a T on of 0.25 second, and a T off of 0.5 second, then a T on of 2 second, and finally a T off of 4 second. This continues on and gives us the periodic wave which we wanted. This is the end of this assignment, and thanks for watching.